All right, we baked our potatoes at 375 for about 40 minutes, and now we are just smashing them down onto our sheet pan. I used about 2 sticks of melted butter and then our Italian seasoning, and we are just crushing these babies so that they fill up our whole sheet pan. This is a larger sheet pan, and I used 4 bags of those potatoes. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get these all smashed. All right, that looks absolutely perfect. Now I'm gonna come in with my pizza sauce, and I'm using the Simple Truth Organic, but you can use whatever pizza sauce you like, or you can make your own depending on what you prefer. But we are just adding this whole jar, and I do actually have a second jar because I don't think this is gonna be enough for this big sheet pan of potatoes. So let's grab our second one super fast and get that right onto our potatoes. Oh my goodness, that sauce smells good. Those potatoes smell good. This is gonna be the most iconic lunch that you've ever seen. It's so simple, yet so tasty. Okay, I think that looks great. Come back out and spread that from edge to edge. Now, if you don't like this much sauce, you can just do 1 jar. You can even half this entire recipe and use a smaller sheet pan with only 2 bags of potatoes, but I am going big because this is such a yummy recipe. All right, now I'm coming in with my cheese grater, and we're gonna put it right next to our sheet pan, lock that in, and we are grabbing our mozzarella cheese, and we're gonna shred up our mozzarella cheese right on top of our pizza sauce and our potatoes. Oh my goodness, what's better than potatoes, pizza sauce, and mozzarella? I will wait because there is nothing better than that combination. Okay, and I do have 2 blocks of my mozzarella, but you could also use an Italian blend. You could use your already shredded cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. Okay, almost done with this first block, and then we'll do that second one super fast. Okay, I actually used 1.5 blocks because I think this is plenty, and we're gonna go ahead and make sure we spread that out from edge to edge on top of our pizza sauce. Doesn't that look so cheesy and delicious?
Oh my goodness, I just want to eat it now, to be honest.
Oh yeah, me too. Okay, and we got that nice and spread onto our sauce. And if you could tell, we kind of left a border with our potatoes, and that's exactly what we intended to do. Now we're coming in with the toppings, and I have my pepperoni because that is my favorite topping. And we're gonna pull out a generous amount and start placing these all over our potato pizza. Yes, you heard that right. We are making a pizza, but with a potato crust. I absolutely love this because it is gluten-free friendly. It's tasty. You get your protein, you still get your starches, and it is just so easy. It's almost like you're making a homemade pizza, but better. So we're just gonna place our pepperoni on here. You can add whatever kind of pizza topping you like. I have one more thing I'm gonna add, but let's get these covered in pepperoni.
Yum.
Now I have my mushrooms, and these were on sale, so I'm so excited. And we're gonna place our mushrooms right on top of our pizza. Doesn't that look so good?
Oh, you know I love mushrooms, so bring it on.
Yeah, mushrooms and pepperoni are just a dynamic duo that can never do wrong. And we're just placing this sporadically here and there. We want to make sure that every bite gets a little bit of mushroom in it. No one gets skimped, and we have plenty. I'm so happy I found these because sometimes mushrooms can get expensive. So this is just a money saver, and it's a yummy saver. Okay, I think that looks pretty good.
Yum.
All right, now this is gonna go back into the oven at 400 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, this looks incredible.
Wow.
Oh, all right, before we dig in, I am gonna, add the basics, some red crushed pepper, just right on top. You can leave this on the side if you're serving guests. And then instantly gonna come in with my Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah, I like to do this right out of the oven so it gets a little bit warm and toasty and delicious. Okay, now we're gonna let that sit for a couple minutes before we cut into it. All right, time to dig in, and I'm just cutting through to those potatoes with all that butter. Should come off easy. Oh yeah, look at that.
It's a slice of pizza.
Yeah, exactly like a slice of pizza. Woo-hoo. I am so excited. Those potatoes smell absolutely incredible. Get some cheese and some pepperoni.
I'm so jealous.
Oh my goodness.
Is it good?
It is so good. I need to let it cool a little bit longer, but